Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. And is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, privacy glass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.